Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2024 Transit equipped with a rear entry power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. You will first open up the doors. You can then use this hand pendant to bring the lift down. Go ahead and make our way inside. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have the smart floor, meaning you can put these chairs in any position you would like. It's also going to come with 2 full sets of retractable straps. And this van here only has 92,000 miles. Let's go ahead and make our way back down. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 92,000 miles. You'll also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.